Okay, so for this video, we have another logical operator which is the OR operator. So dito naman, the result of a logical OR is true when at least one operand on both sides is true. So kahit isa lang yung true sa kanila, true na siya. Okay, kagaya nito, merong dalawang true kaya true, merong isang true kaya true, merong isang true din doon kaya true. This one, walang nag-true sa kanila kaya false. Okay, so in this example, so makita natin ito sa example, color yellow, ayan. So if color is equal to white or color equal to yellow, ayan, print bright, print dark kapag both of them are false. Okay, so tignan natin ito, execute natin itong example na to. Okay, so ito, let's execute. Ayan, so lumabas ay, ayan, lumabas doon bright. Okay? So tignan natin. Ayan, sponsor. Okay, so meron tayong color yellow. Okay? Color is equal to yellow. If color is equal to yellow or color is equal to white, lalabas doon ay bright. Okay? So ayan. So, yun nga, nilabas niya ay bright kasi nga, color is equal to yellow. True siya, yung isa false, pero ang rule natin doon sa OR, kahit isa lang ang true ay true na siya, yung buong yan. Okay? So, that is true. Kaya lumabas doon ay bright. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, so itong example na to, this program will just identify kung mag-a-attend ba yung student ng orientation or pupunta siya sa klase niya. Okay? So, ang condition natin is kapag first year siya or transferee siya, kailangan niyang mag-attend ng orientation. Kung hindi naman, pupunta siya, papasok siya dun sa klase niya. So, yan, meron tayong attend orientation or go to class. So, kailangan identify ng computer natin. Okay? So, year level is third year ang year level niya. Ang status niya ay transferee. So, dito makita natin if year level is equal to 1 or the status is transferee, mag-a-attend siya ng orientation. Else, he or she will go to class. Okay? Ayan. So, year level is third year siya. Year level is equal to 3. Dito, year level is equal to 1. False siya dito, no? Because year level which is 3 is not equal to 1. So, 3 is not equal to 1. So, false. Okay? 3 is equal to 1. Sabi niya dyan. So, false yan. Or, status is equal to transferee. Pero dito, yung status niya, transferee siya. So, in this case, we have false or true. Ibig sabihin, isa ang true sa kanila. Therefore, true na ito. Okay? True na siya. Okay? Kaya mag-a-attend siya ng orientation. Okay, so tignan natin. Ayun. So, attend orientation ang lumabas na output. Let's try. But if sabihin natin hindi siya transferee, regular. Okay, third year, regular na third year student. Okay, so tignan natin kung mag-attend siya ng orientation or papasok sa klase. Ayan. So, ang lumabas, go to class. Okay, go to class ang lumabas na output. Okay? So, yun. Yun yung gamit ng OR. At least one na true. True na yung buong expression natin. Okay? So, this is, for this case, false siya kasi both are false. Okay? Ayan. So, for example, first year siya, regular first year. Ayan. Ang magiging result, yan, attend orientation. So, kailangan nyo mag-attend ng orientation. Ayan. So, that is the logical OR.